Although the term non-fungible token sounds a bit alien to many ears, it can be thought of as a digital authenticity certificate. In the real world, auctions frequently sell classic artworks, antiques, and historical items with such a receipt stating that the items are authentic. But for intangible goods like software or music, NFTs fill the same role. Uniqueness verification is available for GIFs, videos, JPGs, PNGs, and MP3s, among many other file types. A new form of digital file ownership is made possible by this technology. There are many ways to create or not create, like those meme NFTs, NFT of just about any kind. But here we are going to be making some digital art. Even those without any artistic skill or experience can follow along with it. This is the Digital Guide, and this video is going to take you through the process of making your NFT digital art and a bit into selling them. First and foremost, let's put it out in the open that I do not have any graphic design experience, nor am I the best at drawing. So, this tutorial is appropriate for noobs like you and me. As with most things, the best way to start something is to get inspired, and Google is going to help us with that. First is to decide what we are going for, the theme of our art perhaps. For this video, we will create a pixel NFT based on the cartoon Minion. Now, let's open up Google and type in Minion into the search bar. So, I am going to use any of the Google image results as an inspiration, choosing the simplest one that'll make tracing easier and then downloading it on our computer. Next in our guide is to resize the image through bfunky's free image resize website that you can visit through bfunky.com. Now, we are simply going to click on Get Started. Upload the photo by clicking on Open along the top bar. And evidently, the image's sizes is rather large. So to aid with this problem, we are going to hover over the icons on the left of our screen and click on Edit. Then select on Resize. Tick off Lock Aspect Ratio and change the width and height to 32 by 32 pixels. This will make our graphic work easier. Afterwards, change the image format to PNG by clicking on Save, then Computer, and you can rename the photo to Pixel NFT, so it'll be easier to find. And finally, download the photo by clicking the Save button. Great! Now that the image has been downloaded, the next thing to do is visit pixelart.com. It is another costless site that creates pixel NFTs or art, and thus will be your pixel NFT generator. There is no need to create or register an account. Simply click on Start Drawing. It will redirect you to your canvas where all the digital art making happens. Once you're on your canvas, click on File, then click on New in the drop-down. It will open a new window, and from here, you are going to select Open Image, and select the resized image which we recently downloaded from Adobe's Image Resizer. Nice! There you have it! You'll see that our photo has become pixelated. Now keep in mind that we're only using this photo as an inspiration, a base, and we are eventually going to remove this and put our own twist to our NFT art. Moving on, the first step is to add a new layer by clicking on this. I'm only going to trace the figure with a yellow pen, making sure to follow the lines as accurately as possible. Of course, you can always use any color that you prefer, and go ahead and trace the rest of the image using any color you wish. I'm just going to draw mine real quick, fast forwarding through all the process, and ta-da! This is how my image turned out. From this minion we got from Google to this minion. Now don't forget to delete the layer of the photo we sourced from Google. To produce a high quality pixel or art, working in layers is the way to go. All you need to do is add layers as you work through the cartoon, filling up the traces with the right colors, then adding the background. Working with pixels is relatively easy because you do not have to pay much attention to the smallest details, since it is pixelated with all these numerous squares completing the image. You can simply fill in individual pixels with a color. Now, as demonstrated, this is the minion that I wanted to copy. It pretty much resembles my drawing, right? Now don't judge my artistic capabilities. Learn from mine and do yours better. Before we check out the possibilities pixel art has, are you enjoying this video so far? If so, Leave us a thumbs up and interact in the comments below. Okay, but if you want yours to look more like a pro's work, you may add elements. To do this, you can select and use the variety of tools available in the work area. You can lighten or darken some areas of the drawing, add a gradient, or use the spray paint tool to color your drawing. Basically, just play around and explore the tools available. On the right side of the work is you will see the different layers. You may have already figured which icons to click to add and delete layers, to merge, or how to select colors. It's generally a straightforward platform and is completely for free. Now, if you're an artist, unlike me, you can even choose to not work with a base and straight up draw your pixels from scratch. However, that is not the case for me. Okay, after adding some elements to make my pixel art better, and hopefully yours too, I'm pretty satisfied now with how it looks. The next thing to do is click on download. After clicking, we'll see here that we can modify the image's size. Let's change it to 32 by 32. And download it in PNG or JPG format, whichever you prefer. Now that you have learned how to create your NFT for free, wherein you only had to choose a good photo inspo from Google, even skip this step if you have the artistic skill, resize it and download it, the next step is to put them up to selling. You can go visit any NFT website, sites like Rarible.com or OpenSea.io. Any NFT platform that you know that can mint your NFT. With the nifty tricks we taught you, you can basically create any NFTs that you would like. However, those are not as valuable if they do not get sold off. Although, pixel NFTs are actually the trend right now. When you visit NFT markets, you'll see how these types of NFTs are sought after. It is then very much to our advantage that most features in creating NFTs are entirely free on pixel art, so you don't even have to buy a much expensive plan or even sign up. Oh, another trick you can do before actually starting to create an NFT is to check out any NFT market and see what's trending. Now, with the hype surrounding the movie Minions: The Rise of Gru, I thought it would be a good idea to hop on the bandwagon and create one for the Minions fans, as many people may search for it because of its relevance. So, prior to creating your NFT, you can do this clever trick to see whether CryptoPunk's in or maybe leaning towards geometrical art. Then, just follow the simple guide we just taught you. And with that, if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more marketing tutorials and videos. I have been your digital guide. I'll see you in the next one.